The snow began quietly, but by nightfall, the city had slowed to a standstill. Roads disappeared under layers of snow. Neighborhoods grew silent, cars stayed parked, families stayed inside. Inside local stores, shelves emptied fast. Milk, gone. Bread, nearly gone. Eggs and essentials disappearing by the hour. At stores like Kroger and Aldi, lines stretched longer as supplies ran thinner. As the storm intensified, many stores made the decision to close early. Not out of fear, but out of safety. Employees heading home, doors locking before dark. Parking lots left empty under falling snow. Inside warm homes, families gathered closer. Hot soup on the stove, blankets on the couch, children watching the snow fall through frosted windows. In moments like this, the storm reminds us what truly matters. City officials urged everyone to stay off the roads. Neighbors checked on neighbors. Phones buzzed with simple messages. Are you okay? Do you need anything? Lexington didn't panic. Lexington paused. A city wrapped in white. A reminder to slow down. To stay safe, to look out for one another. January 24th, 2026, a winter storm will remember. Stay home if you can. Drive only if necessary. Check on your neighbors. Stay safe, Lexington.